Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about a game-changing update for Waze users. The long-awaited traffic lights feature is finally rolling out, but it's not available to everyone just yet. Let's dive in and explore what this means for you. The design and build of this feature is quite impressive. Waze has been testing it for several months now, and it's starting to show up for more users. The ability to see traffic lights during map navigation can be super useful, especially in settings where a traffic light comes up on a long road. The specs and performance of this feature are still unclear, but it's certainly a welcome addition to the Waze app, which has been lagging behind Google Maps and Apple Maps in this regard. Waze was spotted testing traffic lights back in December 2025, and now it seems to be showing up for more users. In terms of new features, this is a big one. The ability to see traffic lights in real time can help you plan your route more efficiently and avoid getting stuck at red lights. It's a small but significant update that can make a big difference in your daily commute. There have been rumors and leaks about this feature for a while now, but it's finally starting to roll out. We're not sure when it will be available to everyone, but it's certainly more widely available than it was a few months ago. As for the expected release date and price, well, this is a free update, so you won't have to pay anything to get it, but it's unclear when it will be available to all Waze users. We'll just have to keep an eye on the app and wait for the update to roll out to our devices. In my verdict, this is a great update for Waze users. It's a feature that's been missing for too long, and it's finally starting to roll out. If you're a Waze user, keep an eye on your app for this update. It's definitely worth it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with the latest news and updates.